Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to draw and color beautiful house step by step. Let's start drawing. First, I will draw 2 lines like this to draw the house. I will draw this side and the stain in the same way. I am drawing the roof of the house now. Now I'll pull 2 posts on both sides and connect them at the bottom. I am drawing a beautiful window, friends. Completing the window. And I'm drawing a beautiful exterior door now. Stay tuned, friends. Drawing another beautiful large window in the house that is a little different and beautiful from the previous window. Such a round window. Great! Now I will make the outlines of this house thicker so that it looks nice. Okay, it's beautiful. Wow! Let's start coloring. Red color. I'm coloring some areas of the revert in red. I will paint the 2 windows red. This time, I will color the entire roof of the house blue. I am painting the entire wall of the house yellow, very beautifully. Giving the windows a sky blue color. Brown color. Green. Okay, our drawing is finished. If you like the beauty, like and share it. See you later in the video. Bye-bye.